Hey guys, I'm Joshua Vidovic from Vidovic Arts, and today we're working on some more Blackstone Fortress stuff. So, we've got the grav lift where your allies and you spawn, and we've also got this portal here, which is where the enemies spawn. So, pretty cool looking models. And we've also got another two models. We've got the no pass and a block pass. Now, I'd show you what they look like, but I left them at my other place where I used to live. So, a bit of an issue there. But we do have the model still available, and you'll be able to print it, and it'll be available in the description below. But let's get into it. I'll show you what these models look like and how they function. So the grav lift is the center point of the entire map. This is where you start and where you can potentially end. In the game, there are multiple different variations of these because you can spawn them sometimes at the point of these portals. So these portals and the grav lifts kind of work together sometimes. Most of the time, these portals are just where enemies come from. So, yeah. If you're wondering why I haven't painted these up yet, it's because I've got a lot of projects on at the moment, and yeah, I just haven't had time to paint these recently. So, I hope I can get these painted up, and when I do get them painted up, I'll be posting them on my Instagram. And so, yeah, you can follow me there to see what these look like when they're done. As for the block pass and the no pass tiles, they are what they are. So a block pass basically stops your character, can't go through it, unless you've got the ability to phase through walls, which some characters do. But you can still see over the top of them as well, so they're not entirely completely stopping you. Whereas the no pass is absolutely, you cannot see through it, and you cannot go, you can't shoot over the top of it. Which, yeah, no pass. They're kind of the same thing. I had to come up with a name for them, so I just decided to call them no pass and block pass, even though they kind of mean the same thing, but you get what I mean when you look at them. So yeah, as you can see, the no pass is a very tall structure that is just completely blocking off your passing and being able to see through it. And the block pass is, you can still see over the top of it because it's short enough, but you can't go over it because that's how the rules work. So that's these set of tiles all done, and I'll have some terrain tiles coming soon, which are the walls that you can place around on top of your already existing Blackstone Fortress board. And these are the white little lines that you see scattered around. Basically, they'll help you see where walls are. It helps the game way more than you think it would, because it just does. You'll see once I release that. Yeah, that'll be coming out soon. So if you want to get printing on these, they are available for free on Thingiverse right now in the description section below. If you want to support me further on these videos, feel free to head over to Patreon in the description section below and pledge a couple dollars per video. It helps me out heaps more than you guys realize, and I'll be super grateful for any kind of support at all, even if you just subscribe to the channel and share the video around. Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay awesome. See you guys.